talaga namang iba't iba ang mga timpla, di ba?
Yes, may singers, may sumasayaw, may star patroller.
Correct. At saka pag pinagsama-sama ang kanilang talents, ano kaya ang kalalabasan?
Yan ang aabangan nating lahat.
Eh, di kaya Madlang People, ano pang sasabihin natin sa kanila? Sorry na po.
Ano ang sasabihin natin sa kanila?
Magpasikat, magpasikat. Dito sa amin lahat tayo ay sikat. Magpasikat, magpasikat. Dito sa amin lahat tayo ay sikat. Magpasikat.
Let's welcome Fem Mocha!
Jay and Richard with
When it feels like the world is on your shoulders and all of the madness has got you going crazy. It's time to get out, step out into the street, for all of the action is right there at your feet. I know a place where we can dance all night away underneath the electric stars. Just come with me, we can shake the night right away. You'll be doing fine when the music starts. Oh, feel the beat of the rhythm of the night, dance until the morning light. Forget about the worries on your mind. I can leave it all behind. Oh, the rhythm of the night, rhythm of the night. Oh yeah.
I believe in
It feels like the world is on your shoulders and all of the madness has got you going crazy. It's time to get out, step out into the street where all of the action is right there at your feet. Well, I know a place where we can dance the whole night away, and it's called the Moulin Rouge. Oh, just come with me and we can shake and lose right away. You'll be doing fine when the music starts. Oh,
Palakpakan natin ang ating mga hurado! Ayan, guys.
Ang galing.
Fem, ano ba gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga madlang people?
Maraming salamat Showtime and Madlang People for having me here also to super enjoy. Napasayaw nga ako, sobrang enjoy.
Thank you, Fem. Ikaw naman, Sir Richard.
Di ba rehearsal yun?
Oo, pero kinunan namin para mas maganda. Gusto mo ba isa?
Ha?
Gusto mo ba
Hindi,
isa?
akala ko rehearsal eh. Maraming salamat po, Madlang People. Palakpakan niyo sarili niyo. Direk Bobet! I love you. Lahat ng director dito, lahat ng staff, maraming salamat
Yeah.
sa mga host. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir
for joining
Richard.
us.
How about you, Jay?
Hey!
It's been an honor and a pleasure to be to be here with you guys. One of the happiest people in the world. And I think this is the #1 show. Maraming salamat. Madlang people, maraming salamat. All the staff and crew, maraming salamat. Vice Ganda, happy birthday.
Of course.
Jay.
Last but not least.
Kuya Kim!
Yes.
Ano tawag sa akbay mo?
Ito yung akbay ng kaibigan ng
Ano?
kaibigan ng hipag ko.
Kaibigan ng
Family friend namin si
Family
Boboy.
friend. Mogan, ang gusto mo sabihin sa ating showtimers?
Ayun, tama po si Kuya Jay. #1 po ang Showtime. Congratulations po sa inyo. Thank you to the staff, of course, and to the hosts and directors of Showtime. Maraming salamat po. And please also visit my blog, mocauson.com. Thank you.
At dahil dyan, group up! Happy Easter! At ang special birthday celebration ni Vice sa Lunes po yan, April 5.
Yes!
Mapapasikat si Vice. And again, maraming salamat Mocha, Jay, Sir Richard, of course, Fem, palakpakan natin mga damn people! At tayo pagbabalik, winning group for the day, dito lang sa Your Show!